Okay, in question 7, it gives you several equalities. You have 5 paper clips are equal to 0.3 pencils. It says that 2 erasers are equal to 4 pens. And it says that 9 pens are equal to 13 pencils. The problem asks you to go from erasers, if you have 7 erasers, to paper clips. So if we're looking at the pathway, you have to go from erasers to paper clips. So I called it PC up here. PC. The trick is you can't go straight from erasers to paper clips. You have to go erasers to pens, pens to pencils, and then you can go pencils to paper clips. So this is really the pathway you need for this problem. Okay, so once you have the pathway established, then you know you are starting with 7 erasers. You can put any number over 1. And from here, you're going to just write the equalities that are present. From this section, you're going to put all 3 equalities in the places where they are supposed to go. So, erasers to pens, there are 2 erasers and 4 pens. Pens to pencils, since we want pens to cancel, the 9 pens has to go on the bottom. And there are 13 pencils. From here, we want to multiply in a way to make pencils cancel. And then you have 5 paper clips on the top. So you can verify that this problem is set up correctly by watching the units cancel. So erasers cancel, and then pens cancel, and then pencils cancel. So the only units left are paper clips, and that's what the question is. So from here, you multiply across the top, and you multiply across the bottom, and then you divide the top by the bottom. Oh no, oh there it is, okay. I'm going to pause it to calculate. So if you multiply all the way across the top, you multiply across the bottom, and you divide the top by the bottom, you end up with 337 paper clips.